So I found an easier way to transfer notes from Apple Notes into Reflect. Previously, we were using a script for this because for some reason Apple Notes only let you export in PDFs, which is really annoying. But I found this exporter that lets you export them as Markdown files, which is a lot better. So I'll include a link to this exporter in the video, but it's really easy. You're just going to download it. It will take a few seconds. I had already done this previously, of course. And then you just open it, and it's going to automatically find your Apple Notes files. So you can see here, 14 notes found, selected directory. So if I just click on that to download, and then, yep, I can just put it in my downloads folder. Okay, now I can import them into Reflect. I'm going to select Markdown files, and I'm going to just go ahead and select all of them here. Perfect. And this is what you want to see. It's ready to import 13 notes. I didn't really have a ton of Apple Notes. That's why there's not very many. I'm going to click start the import, and it looked like it was complete. Let's go check it out, see if it worked. All right, and to see if it worked here, I'm just going to search for that one note I created. Perfect. So there it is. I see it. So it looks like the transfer worked. So I think that's a lot easier than using the script. You can just use this exporter. I don't think it's by Apple, but it works really well and finds them all automatically. So if you have Apple Notes to bring over, I recommend using this. It's a lot easier than the script.